Hey guys, this video is to show you how to assemble your vinyl and put your monofin inside. For this project you will first need little screws. I got these from Ace Hardware, and I think they're about maybe 75 cents each. The number of screws that you'll need will depend on what type of monofin you have. I have the Finis Aquarius, so I got 5 screws, one for each side, and then one for the top to keep it from sliding downward, and then 2 to kind of close up the flaps at the top because they tend to flop around a little bit. Next you will need the sheets of vinyl that you cut out in our last video, and then just your monofin. To start, I went ahead and lined up my sheets of vinyl and slid my monofin in to the proper placement. You get to choose what the proper placement is, but I like the vinyl to come about maybe halfway up the foot pockets of the monofin. And then I went ahead and punched some little holes all the way through the vinyl on both sheets of vinyl. And from there, I went ahead and screwed these screws in. The screws come in 2 pieces, and you can easily just screw them into each other. Sometimes, because of the way that they sort of slip against each other, you will need, not a screwdriver, but something else like a credit card or scissors or something, be careful, to help keep them turning so they don't just rotate in your hand. So I went ahead and poked in all 5 of my screws, and again, you can decide the placement of your screws based on your monofin, but here's the finished product, and then you just go ahead and slip it into your tail, and you are ready to swim. Thanks for watching.